Hi, Val Frania here again with another tip. This one is about Marketplace again. If you have posted something on Marketplace and you want to share it, a really good place to share it is to put it on your personal profile. So grab the link, post it on your personal profile. And then the local people and the people that are following you will see it, I believe, much quicker than if you just leave it on Marketplace. Now, we're not supposed to be selling from our personal profile. I've seen some people do it, but my concern is that if you do post on your personal profile when you're selling, then you might get shut down, because I don't think Facebook wants you to be selling. They want your personal profile to be a give and take conversation amongst friends, not business. So that's why we have a business page. So post it there so your friends and those following you will see it. Another good way of getting the word out. And then when someone comments, whether it's on your personal profile or on Marketplace or the buy sell trade site, make sure that you comment back. The algorithm likes to see that kind of action on your posting, and they think, oh, this is something people's interested in, so we're going to put it in more people's feeds. So make sure that you respond, answer questions, tell them thank you, whatever is appropriate. And I've also found that likes are not as important as hearts. So hopefully you can train your audience to give you a heart and or a comment, because that's the best way to tell the algorithm, hey, share my stuff. We do everything we can do to get some attention on our postings. So try those two things, be consistent, and I hope you sell something this week. Have a great day.